Welcome to the Freedom Culture. All right. Here at the Freedom Culture, I like to discuss current events in the financial sector and the economy in the most understandable and simplistic terms, conversational tone possible. Um, as we know, there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of changes that we're coming across, a lot of new technologies, new policies, and everything. So I also like to discuss practical solutions to these new challenges. So, pretty much I want to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now struggling at the, what do you call it? 18,000 support level. It's like, it's bad. I'm kind of like constantly checking for when it breaks under 18,000. I feel like once it breaks under 18,000, it's just going to go, it's just going to keep on going down. Now, there's a lot of things that comes to play with this. What's going to happen Monday? Today is Sunday. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna drop this video today, but interest rates went up. Interest rates goes up. The stock market does not so great. So the cryptocurrency market kind of follows the stock market right now. So when the stock market doesn't do great, this cryptocurrency market doesn't do great, which I'm okay with because I still kind of see the cryptocurrency field as technology only, but for investment properties. Like, I know its value, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not concerned on the price action. I'm more long term on cryptocurrency than short term. I'll probably be short term stocks, if anything. But these technologies has a purpose that plans to be rolled out eventually. Now, I'm more into fundamental cryptocurrencies like the ISO 222 cryptos, and other cryptos that have some type of function. I'm not too big on Bitcoin. And I talk a lot about Ethereum, but Ethereum has more use cases than Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin as a store of value, but I'm not too big on it because I always take it with a grain of salt, because the reason being is that we don't even know who the owner of Bitcoin is, who created Bitcoin. All of that stuff is a mystery. So with mystery foundation comes mystery possibilities. Like unexplainable stuff could happen because it's a mystery. Nobody knows Mr. Satoshi or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Nobody knows the foundation of Bitcoin and where it came from. So how can we trust it? How can we trust it all? I don't care if there's billion-dollar people that's invested in it. That doesn't make them any smarter. I don't care if there's a whole lot of people invested into it, or whatever. It could still be a means of some type of control, because, who's to say the person that created Bitcoin doesn't dump more Bitcoins into the system and the value goes down even more. So, and I'm not going to say that it's not going to ever have a purpose. I'm not going to say that Bitcoin is completely trash. I feel like it's going to be worth something due to its novelty and its technology, but there's a whole lot of other technologies that does what Bitcoin does. You want to compare it to gold. I could compare it to digital gold. However, gold right now is worth about like $2,000 an ounce. You know what I'm saying? It's not worth 69 grand. So, why not have that same respect? And it's still useful at $2,000. Gold is, you're going to buy gold at $2,000 an ounce. So, Bitcoin, 2,000 an ounce. So what? You feel me? 2,000 a Bitcoin. So what? I don't mind it going that low. But yeah, that's my main purpose. My main issue with Bitcoin is that it's still mysterious, and we don't know. With mysterious things, you can expect mysterious things, So pretty much what I'm doing with this whole economy change, everybody got a brace for impact, because it's about to be a drop. You know what I'm saying? There's about to be some dramatic stuff happening with the economy. So, but I'm doing, and none of this is financial advice, this is just what I'm doing. I'm investing in myself. I want to take up cybersecurity. cybersecurity seems to be like a field in demand, and I don't think enough people are doing it. There's a couple of sites that I could also sponsor, a couple of courses that I could sponsor that helps with getting into cybersecurity, and also helps with jobs in the cybersecurity space. So I want to get into that because I feel like that's in demand, and I want to bring in as much revenue as possible, as much cash, doing anything for cash. You want to get like a cash cow, you know what I'm saying? So not saying like right now the DXY chart is peaking. This is at the highest. The dollar is at the most strongest it's been since 2002, so is, with everybody cashing out of the stock market, it goes into their bank accounts, and that's what reflects on the DXY charts. So it's good to have cash right now, but I want to get this cash and invest it in assets that's going to keep on giving me cash, so I don't have to rely on any type of job. I could just, I don't have to rely on jobs for my, means of income. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep this one short. I'm taking it easy on Bitcoin. I add a little bit of Bitcoin here and there, but I'm heavily invested in ISO 222 cryptos that has some type of fundamentals that's going to be assistance to the new financial system that they're my phone cut out. But like I was saying, I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, not too much because I still feel like there's some surprises on the way. I'm dollar cost averaging into the market in general, very lightly though, because I feel like we still have ways to go down rather. In the meantime, I'm investing in myself, looking into jobs that's going to be in demand in this new fourth industrial revolution. Like cybersecurity is highly in demand, and dollar cost averaging more into ISO 222 cryptos. I feel like there's going to be an alt season coming on the way in November. The XRP case is looking closer and closer towards the end, and my ultimate goal is business, revenue machines. And I plan on taking some of my a lot of my profit and investing in an online business that's gonna be, plans to stay around for a while. So yeah, that's my take, and that's how I feel. That's my game plan right there. In it to win it. You already know, gotta get yours, gotta hustle. You know what I'm saying? It's all about business, all right? It's all about business, all right? But yeah, I'm gonna keep this one short today. Peace, love, and respect. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next update on the craziness that's going on out here, all right? Later.